Hey everyone, today I want to show you one of Phyre's most powerful features, zero-config Monorepo support with the package structure. I'll demonstrate how you can transform a simple application into a scalable Monorepo in literally seconds. No complex configuration, no build tool stop, just move your files and you're done. Let's dive in. So here's a typical Phyre application. We have our standard structure with a source folder that contains client routes for our client entry and then our route that's work great for small to medium project. But what happens when your application grows? What if you need to add an admin panel, a separate blog, or multiple customer-facing applications that share the same backend? That's where Phyre packages structure comes in. Most frameworks require you to set up complex build configuration, workers protocols, or even completely restructure your project. With Phyre, it's different. It is what makes this special. Each package gets its own isolated routing tree, its own API endpoints, but they all run on a single server. No port conflicts, no core issues, no complicated proxy configuration. Everything just works. Let me show you how easy this is. First, I'll open my phyre.config.js file. Right now it's set to package structure false, the default single app mode. I'm going to enable multi-app mode by changing this to true and defining my packages. I'll add two packages, web for my main application with prefix / and admin for the admin panel with the prefix / admin. That's it for the configuration, no webpack plugins, no custom resolvers, no build scripts. Now, here's the magic. I create a packages folder. Inside I create two folders, web and admin. Now, and this is the part that saves hours of work, I simply move my existing source folder into the web package. And now we have two different repos. Now I'll go into admin source client routes and I'll create a test.js6. Let's do something like export default function test and just return an hello world. Now let's start the dev server, npm run dev. And if we go here, refreshing, we can see that my original application is now running on the web package exactly as before, no breaking changed, no refactor needed, is under the /path. Now, if we go at /admin/test, we can see our hello world on screen. And as you can see, both applications share the same server, but they are completely isolated from each other. But it gets better. API routes work the same way. Routes in the web package are automatically mounted at /API, and routes in the admin package are mounted at /API/admin. This means each package can have its own backend logic, its own database connection, its own middleware, all without any manual configuration. I hope you like that. If you want to try this yourself, check out the documentation at the link in the description, or grab Phyre from NPM. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, or open an issue on GitHub if you have ideas for improvements. Thanks for watching and happy coding!